Is going on, guys? Chewy Vader here from Chewy Vader Reaction and Video Games. And today, as you can see, we're watching how Ghostbusters should have ended. Looks pretty cool. They're very cartoony. Very. They look pretty funny. Anyway, so let's get into these. You can see Terminator, that just reminded me of it. Let's get into these. Turn up.
Well, I'm not living in this place anymore.
That's music. Yeah. Doesn't really have a round head, does it?
The door swings both ways. We could reverse the particle flow through the gate. How?
Could we?
Cross the streams.
Cross the stream.
You said crossing the streams was bad.
Not necessarily. There's definitely a very slim chance we'll survive.
How slim?
I don't know. Slim.
You said our molecules would explode at the speed of light.
It's a little beyond slim, Egon.
Stop that!
Fine. Let's either cross the streams or die by Ray's Marshmallow Man.
I love this plan. I'm excited to be a part of it. Let's do it.
Against the things, the troll things. Bang.
And then all the Ghostbusters died. Apparently, crossing the streams is very bad. Back to you, Chuck.
Oh dear. Right. Oh, there's more. Okay. So the way this orchestra could have ended this way. No.
Yes?
Oh, he said yes.
Oh, okay, well that's good.
Uh-huh. Well, we're all gods here. Come on down and we'll introduce you to everyone.
What a relief. I thought I was the only one left. You know, I've been living in this crazy pyramid.
Hit the trap, dude! Hit the trap! Well, that was surprisingly easy. Yeah. Good thing I said yes. Anyone else hungry for marshmallows?
I am. Yeah, I can go for some marshmallows too, Ray.
That was pretty good.
Okay, you're kind of scaring me, so I'm just gonna knock you out with this Thorazine I brought along with me, and...
What, Thorazine on our date?
Yeah?
What kind of a creep are you?
Thanks for watching! Ooh, subscribe! Watch another video!
Right. That was absolutely crazy. A bit too crazy. It was good. I enjoyed that. I'm going to like this video. Meh. So much. How do people cope with that? All that writing. I don't do it because I can't be bothered. And that's adding to like videos. Think on Hishi. That's the voice of Gollum as well. I don't know. Yeah, probably. So, that was good. I got 4 subscribers. So, that was, thank you for watching this video, guys. If you did like it, then please subscribe. Hopefully soon I'll have subscribers like that. Please subscribe to Chewy Vader. And I'll see you all later. Goodbye.